Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.